So these beds here are 2.5 feet tall, so that they're tallest in the garden space. And you can see this okra is literally reaching for the sky. This is burgundy okra. We have red okra growing here, and then this is Clemson spineless okra. If you're in a hot climate when it's like 100 degrees and 100% humidity, but it hasn't rained, okra is your new best friend. So you can see the okra is thriving here, and it's so tall that it has literally passed the fence line. So it is definitely past picking time. All this okra needs to be picked really when the okra is a lot smaller. You want to grab your okra when it's more like, I don't know, 3 inches, 4 inches, something like that. Don't wait until your okra is this long, because it's going to be so starchy that you're going to feel like you're eating cardboard. Take it from me. So lots of okra. The hardest thing with okra is once it starts, you just have to pick it. Like, you should really come out and pick okra every single day when you have it growing in the garden. You know, I don't know, drop it off at your neighbor's doorstep or something like that.